Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get faster cadence running. First, let's understand what running cadence means. It's simply the total number of steps you take in 1 minute. Many experienced runners aim for a cadence in the range of 170 to 180 steps per minute. To start, you'll need to measure your current cadence. You can do this by counting your steps for 60 seconds during a typical run. This baseline will help us track your progress effectively. Now that you know your baseline, the key is to make small, manageable adjustments. Don't try to jump to a much higher cadence all at once. Instead, aim to increase your current step rate by just 5 to 10%. This means taking shorter, quicker steps, almost as if you're running on hot coals. A great tool for this is a metronome app or music with a slightly faster beat per minute to guide your rhythm. Consistency is crucial here. Improving your running form is essential for a faster cadence. Focus on a slight forward lean, originating from your ankles, not bending at your waist. Your arms should be bent at about a 90-degree angle, swinging efficiently forward and back, not across your body. To further enhance your step rate, integrate specific drills into your warm-up. High knee drills and butt kicks are excellent for activating the right muscles and improving leg turnover. Practice these regularly. Finally, consistency and patience are your best friends on this journey. Don't expect immediate drastic changes. Start by incorporating your new, faster cadence for short intervals, perhaps 30 to 60 seconds, during your regular runs. As you get more comfortable, gradually extend the duration of these intervals. Remember, building new muscle memory takes time and consistent effort. You should begin to see noticeable improvements in your running efficiency and speed over several weeks of dedicated practice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.